Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening your Android Studio project and adding a QR library. I recommend Zing for flexibility. Once done, add the Gradle dependency and sync so the classes are available. You should also declare runtime permissions in the manifest and prepare to request them at runtime. This avoids crashes later. Make sure to create a dedicated activity or fragment for QR generation now, because organizing UI and background work upfront speeds the rest of the workflow. You'll encode the payload into a bit matrix using multi-format writer. Pick a character set like UTF-8 and an error correction level that matches your use case. Then transform the bit matrix into a bitmap by mapping true bits to pixels and false bits to white. This step gives you direct control over size and colors. After conversion, update the UI on the main thread by setting the image view source. If you need high-resolution output, increase the matrix size before conversion to retain clarity. You now save or share the generated bitmap. Write to MediaStore for gallery visibility or create a temporary file and fire a share intent. Make sure to handle runtime permission results before writing, otherwise the save will fail. For printing or embedding, export a PNG at sufficient DPI. If scanners fail to read the code, check 3 factors: increase dimension, add quiet zone margins, and raise error correction. These adjustments fix most issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.